In this video, I'm going to reveal my one of the secret formula that I use on my YouTube videos to rank these videos on the first page. What is that? It is writing SEO optimized description and title. Guys, keep in your mind when you upload your video on YouTube, never copy description from other videos from the YouTube. Why? The reason is that if you copied other description from other video from YouTube, you will paste it on your YouTube video. It will be a duplicate description. Now YouTube will rank the one which is already in YouTube, which is older than your video. So if you did that, you're wasting your time. I'm suggesting you never do that. Write your own description by yourself. Okay, now here I'm going to reveal my secret with you, that how I write my description, SEO optimized description and title. It's a simple way. We will use a Yoast plugin on WordPress. It doesn't matter if you don't have a website, no problem. I will show you step by step how to install WordPress on your local host and install Yoast plugin on it, and then you can write your SEO optimized title and description. I write my title and description on Yoast plugin, and I can know that my description is SEO optimized. Then YouTube checks the description and ranks my videos on the first page. So now I'm going to my video here. You can see here my video is create a Facebook page. I will drag it and put it here on my YouTube channel. It will be uploaded. You can see here is you can see automatic create Facebook page. So I'll keep it as it is. Now what you have to do, you can go to web server, okay, webserver.com, and download web server. Click here download. Guys, here you have to download your web server. As my operating system is 64 bits, so I will download web server 64 bits. If you have a 32, you can download it. Click here, click the web server and download it. I will not download it because I already downloaded it. You can see it here. Okay, now once you download it, install it on your PC. Okay, next, accept agreement, next, and web server next. Yeah, because I already installed it and I removed it because to show you how you can install it. Okay, I'll click yes here, create an icon here, and next. Thing is the best thing of using web server, you don't have to purchase hosting servers and domain names. You can use Yoast plugin on your local host, so you can write your SEO optimized description for your YouTube videos. That I do. I use Yoast plugin to write descriptions and my title. There's a score on Yoast plugin. It will tell you that your description is SEO optimized. 3 kind of scores are there. Red is that's mean it will tell you that your description is not SEO optimized. So if it's not, YouTube will never rank your YouTube videos on YouTube. Keep it in mind. Second is it's yellow, which is okay. You can use that. I always use yellow. If I get a yellow score, I copy my description and paste it on my YouTube videos. If it is excellent, that's good, but you will not get excellent. Why? Because excellent is for when you use Yoast plugin for your website, you have to add headings, you have to add images on your post, then it will give you excellent. But for the YouTube, you will never get excellent. You can use yellow score, and which is good for which means it's okay, which is SEO optimized. You can use that one. Okay, so here you can see it's asking me, please choose your default browser. If you're not sure, just click open. I'll click here open. Would you like to install a new server? Yeah, because I already had web server on my PC. I uninstalled it because to show you how to install web server. So that's why it's giving you messages. SMTP right here, localhost, keep it as it is, and email, keep it as it is. Okay, launch will not launch it now. Just click finish. Okay, now I'll go back to my browser and I will check the video. You can see, guys, video is just processing done. I can click publish, but don't click here publish. Okay, let's go back to our. Okay, now what you have to do, you have to go to wordpress.org and download WordPress. Okay, go to wordpress.org and click here download WordPress 4.4.1. Now I'm not going to download it because I already downloaded it. It is here. You can see it here. Okay, so just download it on your folder. Once you download it, just go to Once you download, just go to start and click start web server. You can see here the red icon of web server. It's activating web server on my local PC. Now guys, you can see when I roll over on the icon, it tells me that server offline. Click it and put online. Okay, now you can see server online. Guys, once you download WordPress, just copy WordPress. Okay, go to my computer, double click C, and you can see WAMP folder. Always WAMP server will be on the C. Okay, and here I will create a new folder. I will name it Yoast. You can type it Yoast. Okay, just paste. Here is it. Now guys, what you have to do, extract it. Here you can see WordPress. I'm extracting it now. Double click it, Control A and Control X, and go back and paste your all files here. Okay, now it's done. Now guys, what you have to do, you have to go to your browser and type here localhost/phpMyAdmin. Type here localhost/phpMyAdmin. Okay, and press enter. Here you have to create a database. Okay, now I already have a Yoast. I will create a new database here. Okay, just name your database anything you want. Okay, I'm going to type it here SEO. Okay, or I will type here YouTube. Now keep in mind, you have to remember your database name. I'm writing here YouTube. Click create. Here visit. Just close it. Now go to and open new tab again. Now here you have to type localhost slash. Now, do you remember what was my folder name? It is Yoast. You can see here in www it is Yoast. You have to type here your folder name and press enter. Yoast. Now select your language here. It is installation of the WordPress. Click let's go. Type here your database name. Now as you remember, my database was YouTube, right? Here username you have to type here root, okay, which is default, and keep in mind select here password and remove your password here, and keep everything as it is. Click submit. You can see all Sparky. All right, Sparky, you have made it true is whatever. Okay, run the install. Guys, now WordPress has been installed on my local PC. Okay, then we can use Yoast plugin on it. Now type here something like I'll type here Yoast admin, and I need my password should be one simple. Okay, type here your email address. Okay, I will type here microdemy@microdemy.com and click install WordPress. Oops, I saw something mistake here. I wrote here as title. No problem, keep it as it is, no problem. Now guys, you can see here my username is admin and my password is 12345. It's just sample because it's local. I will use it locally. Okay, I'll click here login and admin, and my password is 12345. Okay, I'll click login. Now guys, you can see WordPress has been installed on my local PC. You can see here my address is localhost Yoast. Okay, whenever you want to log in on WordPress you're locally, you just type localhost and your folder name. Guys, now what you have to do, once you did it, you have to install the plugin, Yoast plugin, on your WordPress. Here is it. I'm going to plugins and click here add new. Type here Yoast and press enter. Here is the Yoast SEO. You can see 1+ million active installs. Click install now. It's being installed on my local host. Why? As I said, why we are using WAMP server, because if you want to purchase a hosting server, you have to pay a lot hosting server providers. So Yoast plugin, WAMP server is free. You can use it. You can use Yoast plugin to write your SEO optimized description for your YouTube videos. Okay guys, so once it's done, click active plugin. Here is the SEO option. Just go to general and you have to insert some informations here. You can see your website name. We will type here I'll type here Yoast. Okay, now whatever you want, you can write your name also, no problem. Just click save changes. That's it. Now we'll go back to our video, guys. Here is the video. You can see create Facebook page, which is my keyword. As I already said, that my keyword will be this is my targeted keyword, that this video should be on the first page when anybody types create Facebook page on YouTube. Okay, now I don't want my title should be create Facebook page. I need to type some attractive title, but my keyword should be on that title. Okay, I want to type here, my title should be, YouTube video title should be learn how to create Facebook page in 2015. Okay, now my keyword is here. You can see, keep in mind, you have to write your keyword on title and the description. Now it is the important part of ranking videos on YouTube, which is my secret, which I write using Yoast plugin. Okay, how I write my description. As I already said, never copy someone's, never do that. Never copy someone's description from other video and paste it on your. You are wasting your time if you did that. Keep in your mind. So guys, it's time to write a description, SEO optimized description for video. Just copy your title from here, go to Yoast plugin, and now go to post, and keep it in mind. Look at here, I installed ad blocker on my browser. You have to disable it. Okay, it's already it is already disabled. If you're enabled your ad blocker, just disable it. Okay, keep it in mind. Sometime your Yoast plugin will not work properly if your ad block plugin is enabled. Okay, so go to post and click here add new. Just type your paste your title here. I'm going to copy my title from here, from YouTube, and paste it here. Learn how to create Facebook page. Guys, keep in mind, use your keyword on title. This is one of the main part. You have to do it. Now, what is the best thing here in Yoast plugin? The 3 circles here. Now, as I already said, that there are 3 score option on Yoast plugin. The one is red. You can see SEO score. This is SEO score. Second is yellow, and third is green. If you type your description and it shows, SEO score will show you the signals that your description is SEO optimized. If you have yellow, it's fine. You can copy your description and paste on your YouTube video. If it is red, you will not. You can't copy it, because if you did it, your video will not be ranked fastly on your video will not be ranked fast on YouTube, because YouTube looks the description and the titles. Okay, so guys, let's write the description. How you can write the description. Now keep in mind, when you write your description, you have to mention your keyword on the first paragraph. Okay, now you can see I'm going to pause the video. I will write complete description, and then I'll come back to tell you that how should you write the description for your YouTube video, how you should write SEO optimized description for a YouTube video. I'm going to pause the video and I will be back. Guys, here you can see my description. You can read it. Many people wants to start a Facebook page, but they don't know how to create Facebook page. You can see my keyword is on the first paragraph. This is very important for YouTube. You have to mention your keyword on the first paragraph. Okay, keep in your mind. In this video, I will show you step by step creating Facebook page from beginner to the advanced level, such as marketing your Facebook page to get likes. I will also show you how to be connected with your followers of the page and market your business. Now, this is a sample. I showed you how you have to write your description. Okay, you have to mention your keyword on the first paragraph, and then 2 to 3 times you have to mention your keyword on your description. I saw many people are writing what they do, they come to once they write the description, and they just type 10 times their keyword. Don't do that one. This is absolutely wrong. Don't do that. YouTube will never rank these kind of videos. This is absolutely wrong. Don't do that. Just mention on the first paragraph your keyword, and keep in mind, never copy other description and put it on your video. Okay, write your own, because now you know how to write SEO optimized keyword. You can write anything, then you can know here on the signals SEO score, you can know that your description is SEO optimized. Okay, so you can see here I wrote my complete description, but it's not showing me the score. Click here, save draft. Okay, you can see it's not showing me. Why? Because we have here for the option focus keyword. You have to copy your keyword. It's a focus keyword. Now Yoast plugin will look at your title and your description, and it will check is it okay, or is it SEO optimized or not. Okay, so let's paste it here, and guys, you can see here now it's a yellow. As I said, for almost YouTube, I just copy my description when I get yellow here. Green is for the website. If you want to rank, if you want to write SEO optimized post or page, so you can get it green. How you can get it? Yoast plugin will tell you what to do with your post. No subheading tags like H2. Now definitely you can't insert H2 headings on it is for your post or page, but on YouTube you can't add it. So this is not for a YouTube. You can see the page title contains a focus keyword but does not appear at the beginning. Don't touch this one, keep it as it is. No outbound links appear in this page. So this is also for the websites. Okay, for YouTube I don't use this one. I never use that. You can see here no meta description has been specified. Search engine will display copy from the page and keep it as it is. This is very important. The text contains 63 words. This is so far low, it should be increased. Now this is just a sample. I showed you how I write description for my YouTube videos, but this is a less it's a little bit text. You can type at least, you can see here I have 4, 5, 6 lines, so you should write at least 12 to 15 lines. Okay, so what I'm saying, once you get here yellow, okay, or orange, some people say orange, I said yellow. If you get it yellow here, fine, you can copy your description. Okay, now I'm going to do it now. Just copy your description, and I will go back to my YouTube video and I'll paste it here. This is search engine optimized description. Okay, don't copy from other video. I'm going to set something here. I will just Facebook, set here some words. Everything's fine here. Okay, now guys, here you have to type that subscribe my channel. Okay, this is very important. People will subscribe channel. You can type here visit my site. Okay, you can type your website here, like my page, insert your Facebook page here. Okay, that's it. Guys, this is the way I write my YouTube description and titles, SEO optimized description and titles. Really, I know it works. As you saw my video on the intro, that my videos on the first page using keyword. There's a one video which is WhatsApp trick. You saw on the Google advert there are 14,000 searches per month, and my video was, when I publish it, it was on 13th page, and now it is on the second page, and it's coming to the first page now. Slowly it's coming to the first page. It will come to the first page within 1 month or 2 months. Okay guys, so I hope you understand how to write description for your YouTube video. If you have any problem, you can send me a message. I will help you to write your SEO optimized description.